In this video, we will learn how to insert page numbers into Microsoft Word. Page numbers are essential for navigating through longer documents, helping readers easily find sections or specific information. First, navigate to the Insert tab on the ribbon menu. In the Header and Footer group, click on the Page Number button. A drop-down menu will appear, offering several options for placing your page numbers. Top of the page, bottom of the page, page margins, current position where your cursor is. The two options at the bottom, Format Page Numbers and Remove Page Numbers, allow you further customization or removal. Hovering over each option will preview various numbering formats. When you see a style you prefer, click to select it, and Word will automatically number your document pages. For this example, we'll select Top of Page and then plain number 3. This style is simple, clean, and positioned neatly at the top right corner. When you insert page numbers at the top or bottom, Word automatically opens the header or footer editing area, allowing you to add additional text or formatting. To return to editing your document, simply click Close Header and Footer on the ribbon. Now, sometimes you don't want a page number on the first page, such as when you have a title page. To remove the number from the first page, click the Insert tab. Select Header from the Header and Footer group. At the bottom, choose Edit Header. In the Header and Footer tab that appears, tick the box labeled Different First Page. Note that numbering will now start from page 2, but the number displayed will also be 2. To start numbering from 1 on the second page, go back to the Insert tab. Select Page Number from the Header and Footer group. Click Format Page Numbers. In the dialog box under Page Numbering, choose Start At and enter 0, then click OK. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button. New to our channel, we'd love for you to subscribe to the Knowledge Academy's YouTube channel, where you'll find many more tutorials to master Microsoft Word. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.